How to reset camera settings. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. In here, tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone option you see there. Further, tap on reset and then tap on the reset all settings option. You will then be required to enter your passcode. So enter your passcode and reset all settings, and with this all the settings will be reset and it will be set to default. So this is how you can reset camera settings on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.